Did you hear that clicking noise? Where do you suppose I am? I'm at Motha's house. Mommy and I are visiting. We had to take her to the dentist the other day, and we thought we were going to leave today, but she's got an eye doctor appointment she didn't tell us about, and that's not till tomorrow, so I'm going to have to try to find enough things around the house to do for Motha while I'm here. And you hear that clicking noise? No, it's not a jackhammer somebody's doing outside somewhere on the street. Hear it? That just drives me batty. You know what the meaning of insane is? Listening to that noise every single night, thinking that not doing anything about it is going to stop making that clicking noise. That's what insanity is. That thing's been clicking for, I don't know, maybe over a year now, and every time we come to Motha's, it clicks while we're sleeping, because we usually like to leave that ceiling fan on as we're sleeping. And see, here's the remote for it, and we've got it on medium right now. Here, I'm going to click it to low, and it stops clicking. But that's too low. Lots of times when we're sleeping at night, Mommy likes to have the air on higher. So medium is about the right speed. Press it on medium. Here it goes, and eventually it's going to start clicking again. You see, I can see it's wobbling. Hear it click? And I think it has to do because it's wobbling. Now let's turn it on high and see what happens. Look, we turn it on high and it doesn't click at all. But that's too high at night, right? Oh, I really like it on medium. Come on. Here, slowing down a little bit, and it's starting to bob. Its head is bobbing. Bump, 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 bump. And I fixed one clicking ceiling fan before in my life. Most of the time, most ceiling fans don't really click like that. And it's wobbling because probably of a couple different reasons. Maybe one of the fan blades supports is loose, and it could be something like that, but my guess is that rod that's going up to the ceiling, the stem, there's a ball up above that into the container that's up in the ceiling. It's attached to the ceiling, and so that is probably loose. The rod could be loose at the bottom, the top part of the big huge base where the ceiling fan blades are attached. It could be loose there. And chances are it's the knuckle, though, that's above that, that's up in the ceiling. Okay? And that's probably loose. So I'm going to have to get up there later and fix that. And I'm hoping that that clicking noise will go away. If I can't fix that clicking noise, I about feel like I need to take a sledgehammer up there and beat that thing to bits. I installed that when my mother moved into the house, when my parents moved into the house years ago, probably about 12 years ago. So that ceiling fan isn't that old. I mean, it still looks in pretty good shape. Okay? But I believe I can fix that. I'm not going to fix it right now. You're going to have to come back later and see what I can do about that. I gotta work strategically today. Last but not least, one question for you. When you go to your mother's, do you have to wait until Mother's Day in order to do something for her around the house? Absolutely not.